Hello and welcome to Math 3.2, where math is simple, fun and practical. Alright, we are starting the quantitative series and I want you to please follow, check the playlist, make sure you click on the notification bell so that you can get the notification as soon as we drop the videos. Alright, let's go. We have these samples and then we are to figure out what connection they have, right? What is the relationship between the number? One very good advantage of quantitative reasoning is that it helps you to connect numbers, right? It helps you to what? Connect numbers. So let's look at this, all right? How do you approach this if you're to solve this question, right? You look at the components of each of the pattern and then see the relationship between those components. Look at it and see if there is a bigger pot across the pattern, and then check if there's something you can do with the smaller ones. Get into that. So we look at this. We have 2, 2, 4, 3, 4, 12, 5, 10, 50. Okay, so it seems the last pot is bigger. So we have 50 here, which is bigger than 5 and 10, 4, and then 12. Okay. So we'll go back to our knowledge base, our number bank, to see what connection do we have between 2 and 2 that would result to 4. Alright, 2 plus 2, oh that's 4. 2 times 2, oh that's 4. Okay, which one? So let's check with the second sample. So if we do 3 plus 4 here, we know that it's going to be 7. Oh, from the multiples of 3, you can see that 3 times 4 equals 12. Alright, so that's settled. So 2 times 2, 4, 3 times 4, 12. Definitely is multiplication, but we still need to confirm with the third sample. So 5 times 10, is it 50? Yes, so 5 times 10 is 50. So the relationship is multiplication. Alright, so multiplication. So here we have, I'm going to use the second sample to analyze it. We have 3 times 4 equals 12, right? Then from this, one thing we must do from our analysis is to say, okay, what if I'm not given this 4? How do I get it? So I'll do the reverse, right? So I'll start from 12 and then move backward. So since I did multiplication going forward, I'll have to divide coming back. So for me to get 3, I would have to divide 12 by one of this, and this is 4, and I have 3. The same thing, for me to get 4, that means I'll have to divide 12 by 3, and the answer is 4. So now I have a formula that I can use for each of the pots. Alright, each of the pots. So that means if if this pot is missing, I'm going to do whatever is there divided by whatever I have here. Good. So if this pot of 12 is missing, so I'm going to multiply this times this. If the pot of 4 is given, I'm going to do whatever is here divided by whatever I have here. And this is what we call the quantitative analysis. So you've done your analysis and then you can proceed to the question. So with this, you're not expected to fail any of the questions because you already know how to get the answer to each of the pots, the components of the pattern. Alright, so now let's go over and answer the questions. Alright, now we have the questions 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so we are looking for this pot in the first one. Alright, and then okay, let me just quickly sketch this here. That's for the analysis we've done. Alright, so that's 3, 4, and 12, so that we can follow this. Okay, so we're looking for this missing, and that's the one in the place of 4, right? So how did you get 4 from our analysis? We did 12 divided by 3, so this divided by this, so that means we're doing 40 divided by 8. So for number 1, we're doing 40 divided by 8, and then that is 5. Okay, because 8 times 5 is 40, right? Good. Then you can check, put your 5 back and say 8 times 5, 40? Yes, checked, correct. We move to the second one. We're looking for this pot. From my analysis again, I check, okay, I'm looking for this particular pot, that's 3. How did I get this 3 in my analysis? So I did 12 divided by 4. So I'm doing this divided by this. So I'm going to do 20 divided by 5. 20 divided by 5 equals 4. Alright, so I put 4 back and then check. 4 times 5, 20. Right. Easy peasy, right? Then for the last question, number 3 under this session, we are looking for this pot, and then that is the pot of 12. So how did we get the 12? We did 3 times 4, so we multiply the 3 components up. So that means we're doing 3 times 3, and then the answer is 9. So number 1 is 5, number 2 is 4, and then number 3 is 9. Alright, please do it to go over it again, and then if you have any question, ask in the comment. Thank you. Bye.